Alright, student. Okay, the time 30 minutes is over. So here we discuss the answer. Okay, so have you complete your exercise? There are three exercise 1, 2, and 3. So here we start with present simple tense. Okay, indirect question exercise 1. Change the direct question into indirect question. Use can you tell me? Okay, use can you tell me. Question number 1. Where does she play tennis? Okay, where does she play tennis? The answer is can you tell me where she plays tennis? Okay, number 2. Does he live in Paris? So the answer is can you tell me if he live in Paris? Number 3. Is she hungry? Can you tell me if she is hungry? Okay. Number 4. What is this? Okay. Indirect question. It will be can you tell me what this is? This is. Change the order. So number 5. Do they work in Canada? Do they work in Canada? Indirect question. Can you tell me if they work in Canada? Okay. So number 6. When do John and Luke meet? Okay. Indirect question. It will be can you tell me when John and Luke meet? Okay. Normal would do here. Can you tell me when John and Luke meet? Okay. Number 7. Is he a lawyer? Okay. Add in the word if. Can you tell me if she is a lawyer? Okay. Number 8. When is the party? When is the party? So the answer for indirect question, it will be can you tell me when the party is? Can you tell me when the party is? Okay, number 9. Do they often go out? Do they often go out? So, can you tell me if they often go out? Okay, if they often go out. Okay, then what does? Okay, this is WH question. It different to do, does, and did. Okay, what does he do at weekend? So WH question. So it can be can you tell me what he does at the weekend? So the order does he. Rearrange the order become he does. Okay. For what? For WH question. Okay. Next. Number 11. Are the children on holiday this week? Are the children on holiday this week? So can you tell me if the children are on holiday this week? Okay. So do correction. If you have done wrong, please do correction. Okay. You can use red pen. Yeah, you can use red pen as well. So number 12. Who is she? Who is she? Okay. Can you tell me who she is? Okay. The order is she become she is. We arrange the order. Number 13. Why do you like traveling so much? Okay, the answer is Can you tell me why you like traveling so much? Okay, why you like traveling so much? Okay, 14. Does Lizzie like ice cream? Does Lizzie like ice cream? So the answer for indirect question is, can you tell me if Lizzie likes, okay, likes ice cream? Okay, let's check your answer, student. Number 15, are they from Chile? Are they from Chile? So indirect question it be, can you tell me if they are from Chile? Can you tell me if they are from Chile? Number 16. Okay. Where is the station? Where is the station? So, indirect question it will be, can you tell me where the station is? Can you tell me where the station is? Okay. And then 17, direct question. Where do you study Chinese? Where do you study Chinese? Okay, the answer in direct question will be, can you tell me where you study Chinese? Can you tell me where you study Chinese? 18. Where is the nearest supermarket? Okay, where is the nearest supermarket? So, in direct question, you can ask, can you tell me where the nearest supermarket is? Okay, can you tell me where the nearest supermarket is? Okay, 19. Do you drink coffee? Do you drink coffee? So, in that question, can you tell me if, can you tell me if you drink coffee? Okay, 20. Is Richard always late? Is Richard always late? Can you tell me if Richard is always late? Okay, Richard is. Okay, direct question. The order is Richard. Indirect question, the order will be Richard is. Okay, so that is for exercise 1. Please do correction, student. Okay, now we move to exercise 2. Okay, exercise 2. Okay, past simple tense. Okay, change the direct question into indirect question. Use do you know. Use do you know. Okay, number 1. Did she go out last night? Okay, use do you know. Do you know? Okay, do you know if she went out last night? Okay, add the word if. Okay, she went last night. Okay, the word go here, because did is past tense. Did is past tense, so go become when. Go become when. Okay, question number 2. Where did she meet her brother? Where did she meet the brother? Okay, so in that question it will be, do you know where she met her brother? Okay, do you know where she met her brother? Number 3. How was the film? Okay, how was the film? So, do you know how the film was? Okay, do you know how the film was? Okay, number 4. Was David the first to arrive? Was David the first to arrive? So, in direct question, it will be, do you know if David was the first to arrive? If and was. Okay. Number 5, did Lucy work at home yesterday? Did Lucy work at home yesterday? So in that question, it will be, do you know if Lucy worked at home yesterday? Okay, do you know if Lucy worked at home yesterday? Number 6. What was the problem? What was the problem? Okay, do you know? Do you know what the problem was? What the problem was? Okay, number 7. Okay, if there is a mistake in your exercise, please do correction. Student, please do correction. Make sure you do your correction, and you have to send me the picture of your exercise. Okay. Who did we meet at the party? Number 7. Who did we meet at the see at the party? Sorry, who did we see at the party? We change the word see become saw. Do you know who we saw at the party? Okay, do you know who we saw at the party? Number 8. Did Zack call his mom yesterday? In direct question, it will be, do you know if Zack called her mom yesterday? Okay, past tense. If Zack called her mom yesterday, because did is past tense. Number 9. Were they at the beach? Were they at the beach? Okay. In that question, do you know if they were at the beach? Okay, number 10. Where was the class? Where was the class? So, do you know where the class was? Okay, do you know where the class was? Okay, number 11. Why did they arrive so late? Why did they arrive so late? So, in direct question, it will be, do you know why they arrived so late? Okay, do you know why they arrived so late? Number 12. Was she at home yesterday? Was she at home yesterday? So, in direct question, it will be, do you know if she was at home yesterday? Do you know if she was at home yesterday? Okay, number 13. How did she do it? How did she do it? Okay, indirect question, it will be, do you know how she did it? Do you know how she did it? When did she become she did? Okay, 14. 14. Were they in the garden? Were they in the garden? So become, do you know if they were in the garden? Do you know if they were in the garden? Number 15. Did they arrive late? Did they arrive late? So the answer will be, do you know if they arrive late? Do you know if they arrive late? Number 16. Direct question. Did John finish the report? Did John finish the report? The answer is, do you know if John finished the report? Do you know if John finished the report? Okay, 17. Were we late for the meeting? Were we late for the meeting? So in the question will be, do you know if we were late for the meeting? Do you know if we were late for the meeting? Okay, number 18. What did they do at the weekend? What did they do at the weekend? So, do you know what they did at the weekend? Okay, do you know what they did at the weekend? Number 19.